is called the beef with almond. All you need just about 8 ounces of sliced beef, you know, like that. Slice them all up. And then you put it into a bowl. And then you need some of this onion. Cut it into wedges. Just like that, okay? Now, it's almost ready. Use the cleaver, heat it up, and they will all break up. See? Breaking up is not hard to do. I don't know why they say breaking up is hard to do, isn't it? Right? It's not hard. Get some of this. Whatever it is. Red pepper. Oh, red pepper. And then green pepper. Red pepper. Green pepper. Wow, there's a song for that. You know that? Somebody sing that song. Red pepper and green pepper. Put them together. And then some of this thing, what we call the Chinese garlic. This is a Chinese way to do the garlic. Now, you just get a piece of garlic, and then look at this inside here, and you just cut it off first, and then use a cleaver. Say, ho, ho, ho. Then the whole thing has become ho, ho, ho. Very good. Now, that's it. This is a very clever way of doing it. Very clever way. Oh, yes. Now, then you can start marination using your temptation. Oh, Chinese cooking wine, of course. Couple that is for Freddy. Now, then you put some of this pepper. Oh, right there, a little bit. And then some tapioca starch. 1 tablespoonful. That's all you have to do. Right there. Marinate all those things. And then put some of the light soy sauce. Very light. Not heavy at all. So that it won't stain your vegetable in cooking. Okay? And that's very, very important. Now I've got a hot wok here. Hot wok. No kidding. Now what do? First you will get some oil from this wok and walk over there. Okay, now that's it. Then you heat up the wok, heat up the oil, and then you get some of this almond flaky, all chopped up almonds. They make it so difficult for me. All cut up, see? All right, you heat up this until they're medium to high heat, not very high, otherwise all the almonds become brown almond. All right, now then you put it there, we're heating it up, then you put this almond right in. Look at that, now this is really terrific. And then use a spatula, and make sure you have a fishing net. Otherwise you will not be able to pick all this thing up. And one good advice, never use your chopstick to pick up your almond, okay? You will lose them all. Okay, away we go. You will get this thing almond out. Oh, isn't it gorgeous looking? Isn't it? Now, oh, I just love it. I've never done this before, but I love it. There you are. Just get all those oil. Back to the other one. It's called oil reservoir. Okay, then what do? Then you get some more of this thing out, of course. Now, then you get your all the spicy veggie, onion, garlic, and the pepper. Put them there. And then you put all the beef in. All the beef. All this beef. All the marinated beef. Okay. Oh, isn't that good? And then just stir this. Oh, until they are all change color and cook. Now they're all staying together. You can see it's good. Now, smells good too. Put a little bit Chinese cooking wine to the beef so that it can be well tenderized. Alright, this is really fantastic. No kidding. Now, keep on stirring until they are medium well done. Okay? Alright. Then you get some of this, what we call the pineapple. Cut into sections or chunks or whatever, and put it right into this wok. Wok over. All right, just keep on turning. Oh yeah, it smells so good. I can hardly wait. Like this. Then you're gonna shake and mix them up. And that's the way to do it. Now, then what you do is to add some of this starch solution. Oh, it's so hot, I can hardly breathe. Starch solution with some of this, whatever it is, oyster flavored sauce. Okay? And I dissolve 1 tablespoonful of tapioca starch to 1/4 of a cup of pineapple juice. You know, right there. Now, then you put all the sauce right in. Smells good. Oh. And then there you are. Put them all. Tidy up all those things and ready for dinner. Oh, I can hardly wait. Now, you just clean up all those things. And then make sure this thing comes to a boil. And then if you like, you can put a few drops of sesame seed oil before you serve. That will add some nice flavor and smell to it. Now all you have to do now is pour this right in, and then later on put in the almond. Okay, now I will go to get the almond and just sprinkle all those almonds just right on top. Oh.
You need more than exercise to firm your skin. Nivea Skin Firming Lotion is a unique moisturizer with safflower oil and advanced liposomes. It moisturizes to help boost skin's firmness and tone. Nivea Body Skin Firming Lotion.